Hi everyone. Today, we're going to be talking about a really sad and tragic event that happened in India recently. On June 2nd, 2023, three trains collided near the Bahanaga Bazaar station, killing at least 261 people and injuring hundreds more. It is the worst train accident in India since 2016. I'm still in shock over this tragedy. I can't imagine what the families of the victims are going through right now. My heart goes out to them. The accident happened around 6:55 p.m. local time. The Coromandel Express, which was traveling from Puri to Howrah, was derailed after colliding with the Utkal Express, which was traveling from Bhubaneswar to Howrah. The third train, the Samaleshwara Express, which was traveling from Visakhapatnam to Bhubaneswar, then crashed into the derailed trains. The cause of the accident is not yet known, but there are several theories. One theory is that the Coromandel Express was running late and was trying to make up time, which led to the collision. Another theory is that there was a mechanical failure on one of the trains, which caused the derailment. The Indian Railways has said that it will investigate the accident and that a full report will be released in due course. The accident has had a devastating impact on the people of Odisha. Many families have been left without loved ones, and many people have been injured. The government has declared a state of mourning, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed his condolences to the families of the victims. The government has also said that it will provide financial assistance to the families of the victims and to the injured, but how financial loss will overcome the loss of lost loved ones? The Odisha train accident is a tragedy that has claimed the lives of many people. I'm so sad and heartbroken by this tragedy. I can't even imagine what the families of the victims are going through right now. My heart goes out to them. If you'd like to help, you can donate to the Indian Railways Relief Fund. The fund will be used to help the families of the victims and to provide medical care for the injured. Please share this video with your friends and family so that we can raise awareness about this tragedy.